Today, we're going to be discussing the default layout displayed from the Browse page in Lexbe. So let's go ahead and click Browse to take a peek. From Browse, by default, users will be provided with pages of 25 documents sorted in title order with the following fields displayed: title, extension, master date, and placeholder. If a user would like to place documents on Browse into family order, that can be completed quickly through the paperclip in the upper right-hand corner, where I'm circling my mouse. If users would like to adjust the numbers of files displayed on a page, that can also be completed quickly from the Browse page. A little lower, by clicking into the items per page box and selecting between 10, 25, 50, 100, and 200 items. With respect to the fields displayed on Browse, if content in a field is truncated, like we see here, that can be dealt with in two different ways. One way would be by dragging that field out to expose it, but that's going to be on an individual field basis. So looking here, we still see master date is truncated. Another option would be clicking the vertical ellipsis under the case name, followed by wrap. After doing so, any cutoff text would be exposed. Within the vertical ellipsis, underneath the case name, another thing that users can do, which would impact the Browse display, is changing the height of the documents displayed. That can be done through dragging the slider to the left or to the right as needed. If users would like to add or remove fields displayed on Browse, that can be completed by clicking Layouts on the left, followed by Select Fields. After clicking Select Fields, users will be presented with a pop-up that displays the available fields on the left and those that have been selected on the right. In order to select available fields, users would need to check the boxes to the right of those field names, or if you just wanted to add all of them on, you could click Select Fields followed by All. If users would like to reorganize fields in the Selected Fields pane so that they're presented in Browse in a certain order, that could be done by dragging and dropping them as you'd like them to reside, followed by hitting OK, or you can drag and drop these on the Browse page in the same form. Just drag and drop it where you'd like it to be. Once changes are made to one's layout on Browse, whether that's adding a new field to be displayed, removing a field from the display, or adjusting the width of a field displayed, a recent layout quick link will be generated. We can see those under the Layout Quick Link section, specifically under the Recent tab. If you'd like to create a certain quick link for a certain type of layout, that can be done by setting the layout up as needed, clicking Layout Quick Links, followed by Edit, changing the name of the uppermost recent layout quick link that will correspond to the change you just made, retitling that, as I've just done, clicking the vertical ellipsis, and then opting to either share or pin that quick link. Shared links would be available and visible to all users, whereas pinned quick links would only be available and visible to yourself. I'll go ahead and share that one and hit OK, and we'll now see that here. If changes are made to an existing layout and one would like to update a previously created layout quick link to account for those changes, that can be done quickly through the vertical ellipsis under the case name as well. After clicking that, you can click Save Layout As, select the existing layout quick link, and then confirm that update by clicking OK. Another thing that can be completed within the Layouts menu by account admin users is setting defaults for fields to be displayed on Browse and/or custom fields that are displayed in the document viewer. So that could be done by clicking Manage Defaults and then setting the display and/or coding for the different type of user, followed by OK. And again, that would be done based on those quick links. Now that we've covered the default layout on Browse and ways that can be adjusted to meet reviewer needs and preferences, I hope you have a better understanding of how to set your layout in a manner that you'd like. If you have any questions or if you would like assistance with layouts in Lexbe, please let professional services know and we would be happy to help.